In this video, I'm going to show you a very cool app that Zoho released not too long ago, and this is the SalesIQ Desktop. Now, for the people that are using SalesIQ, you will know that you will have on your website, you will have the SalesIQ on the top bottom of the screen, and when you click on it, it will open the bot or the chat, and then someone is communicating with this chat. Some complaints that we got over the years is that people saying that sometimes their employees are making some changes on the browser level that's eliminating notifications. So when a new SalesIQ conversation is coming to the agent is not hearing it, and therefore the lead is being missed. And obviously someone then needs to go back to him, which is defeating the purpose. When the process is very warm on your website, it needs to be taken care of. So Zoho released a very nice application named Zoho SalesIQ Desktop, and that will be for both Microsoft and also Mac. And I will put in the description below both links to the Mac and Microsoft. You will be able to install those applications, and you will have the same functionality that you will have on the browser. Okay. Now, I would use it mainly just because when it's an app, you can have different configuration to it. And when there is an incoming chat, you will notice it and you will communicate with those people. Very useful for sales and also support. When you have a support chat, you will take it. And when you have a sales or a new lead, you will be able to take it. So recommend you to use it if you are using SalesIQ.